I want you to picture this. Instead of having to go through the endless YouTube videos of watching all the crazy videos on Amazon KDP, you get to go through a structured 3-day program with 3 or 4 videos that show you how to do everything from step 1 to step 5. It's like not a lot of steps. I made it really simple. But you go step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, publish. Like it's idiot proof. That's what you get to do instead of having to like, how do I enter keywords on Amazon, right? And then like, how do I find a topic and searching all the endless YouTube videos and getting so confused. I've eliminated all of that with the 3-day challenge. That's what it's there for. So once again, to sum it all up, the 3-day challenge will show you how to find a topic, write a book, publish a book, and profit from that book, all without having to buy a course first. That's what it's there for. So if you want to do that, guess what? There's a link in the description. Go join that. Now, what's the difference between the 3-day challenge and the Publishing Academy, the profit formula, my paid program? The Publishing Academy is an online education program that shows you how to scale your publishing business. Whether you're a brand new beginner or you've been doing this for a decade like I have, it helps you take things to the next level. It's way more structured, it's way bigger, and it's way more involved. And like I said, it's designed for people, they've gone through the free challenge, they've published a book, or they haven't, and they're just ready to commit. And they want more structure, they want more speed, they want more contact with me. That's what the Publishing Academy is all about. It's structured support, it's not basic information. It's accountability, it's systems, it's feedback each and every week, right? It's speed and optimization. It's help running ads profitably. It's help avoiding costly mistakes when you're publishing your books. And it's help to maximize the profit that you get from every single book that you publish. That's what we do inside the actual paid program. The challenge shows you the blueprint of the business model, but the Publishing Academy helps you build faster and scale more efficiently. Now, you may be asking yourself, okay, well, can't I just make money by going through your free 3-day challenge and publishing books? 100% you can. We've had students who have gone through, and you'll see that in the SKOOL group if you just do some searches for different posts. We've had students who have gone through the free 3-day challenge and they've like started making like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month by just using the information that's in the 3-day challenge. 100% you can do that. The Publishing Academy is just for people who want more structure and they want to see the whole business as a whole and really, really scale their income. So once again, you're not paying for secret information. You're paying for guidance, feedback, and speed. That's what you're getting inside the Publishing Academy.